Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine Fab Marketplace video. This is another limited time free for the second half of January 2026, where we have access to 3 amazing assets free until the 10th of February. You can keep them forever, but you can only claim them until the 10th of February. This time around, we have the Medieval Castle, the Stylized Log Cabin, and the LXR Light Detection. So without further ado, let's get right into it, starting with the Medieval Castle. So this is an asset pack which features a modular medieval environment with over 300 unique meshes and an advanced landscape. So some of these meshes include houses, towers, walls, doors, windows, balconies, different props, different furniture elements, and also a few of the houses have both interior and exterior as well, made from the modular parts. And this is amazing because, as I've said so many times, I really love modular assets because everybody can have the same asset pack but make something which looks completely different and completely unique. So in total, this has 305 unique meshes, and they do have 1 to 4 LODs per model. There are 279 materials with 717 textures and the text resolutions being up to 4K. There are 8 blueprints and 9 landscape layers. I think this one looks absolutely great. This is normally £10 for the personal license or £31 for the professional license, but again, obviously free for the next 2 weeks. Next up, we have the Stylized Log Cabin. So this is a stylized log cabin of high quality, and again, this is also fully modular like the last one was. This also includes a coniferous forest, shrubs, and rocks. So in total, there are 55 unique meshes with 18 blueprints. There are 10 materials and 26 material instances, with 38 textures, all of which being 4K resolution. This also includes a post-processing effect to make the scene even more beautiful and to pop out even more. There's not a whole lot to say about this one. You can very clearly see what it is you're getting with this log cabin. I think it looks absolutely amazing. The personal license for this is normally £8, a professional is normally £17, but again, you can claim it for free and keep forever. And finally, last but not least, we have LXR Light Detection. So this is the ultimate lighting detection and perception plugin for Unreal Engine. This is a powerful and highly optimized plugin designed to revolutionize lighting detection and perception within Unreal Engine environments. With a comprehensive suite of features, LXR empowers developers to create immersive and dynamic gameplay experiences centered around lighting interaction and awareness. Using this plugin, you can unlock a new realm of possibilities for lighting interaction and perception, pushing the boundaries of immersion and gameplay innovation. So some of the key components in this are a source component, which provides precise and efficient detection of actors' visibility to light sources, and also accurately determines the degree of illumination and specific color received by each actor. There's also the detection component, which does the exact same as the source component. There's the silhouette component, which provides advanced capabilities for detecting and responding to character silhouettes against light backgrounds, and this enhances stealth-based gameplay mechanics and AI behavior. There's also a sense component, which enables actors to perceive and react to light sources within their environment, and also adds depth and immersion to gameplay interactions. And there's the memory component, which enhances AI intelligence by enabling retention and recall of environmental element states, particularly lights. And AI entities can also remember light statuses in specific locations, even after leaving and returning to the area. There's also the indirect detection component, which enables detection of indirect light intensity and color. So obviously, I think this looks and sounds absolutely amazing. You can really come up with some unique and interesting mechanics and game ideas using this plugin. And since this is also lighting, a question you might be asking is, does this support Lumen? And it does. You can seamlessly integrate this plugin with Lumen and enable detection of indirect light intensity and color using that as well. So this features light detection, it's smart, fast and easy. There's also Lumen support, and it is multi-threaded. In total, there is 1 blueprint and 55 C++ classes. So it is mainly done within C++, which means it's nice and efficient. And there's also a support Discord and documentation as well, and also an example project for you to be able to check out and have a look for yourself to see what is possible with this. The personal license for this is normally £52, and the professional is normally £173. But again, obviously free for the next 2 weeks, so this one is really a steal. And with that, I think that'll be it for this video covering the limited time free for the second half of January 2026. I think my favourite one this time around is going to be LXR Light Detection, and let me know in the comments down below which one your favourite one was as well. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.